Welcome to Bike Adventure Pro. Today we're diving into an exciting development from Royal Enfield, their entry into the 125cc segment. Let's explore what this means for riders and the brand's legacy. Royal Enfield's foray into the 125cc segment. Traditionally known for their mid-size and heavyweight motorcycles, Royal Enfield's move into the 125cc category marks a significant shift. This decision aims to cater to urban commuters and new riders seeking a blend of classic design and manageable performance. Design and features. While specific details are still under wraps, expectations are high for a motorcycle that embodies Royal Enfield's signature retro aesthetics. The 125cc model is anticipated to offer a comfortable riding posture, user-friendly ergonomics, and essential features suitable for daily commuting. Performance expectations. Equipped with a 125cc engine, this bike is likely to deliver adequate power for city rides, focusing on fuel efficiency and ease of handling. It's designed to provide a smooth and accessible riding experience, especially for those new to motorcycling. Market positioning. Entering the 125cc market allows Royal Enfield to reach a broader audience, including younger riders and those looking for an affordable, stylish commuter. This move aligns with the brand's strategy to expand its global footprint and appeal to diverse rider preferences. Conclusion. Royal Enfield's upcoming 125cc motorcycle represents an exciting evolution for the brand, blending their classic design philosophy with the practicality desired by modern urban riders. Stay tuned to Bike Adventure Pro for more updates as we await the official launch and detailed specifications.